This is the Neewer Dolly, and I've used it on multiple paid shoots. I'm going to tell you something now that's going to blow your mind. Neewer was able to design the bag big enough so when you take the dolly out of the bag, you can actually get it back in the bag. Wow! Imagine that. Now let's say you don't want to put it in a bag. They've actually designed the dolly around a handle, so it's very easy to carry. To deploy the dolly takes a few seconds. You pull the one leg, it'll lock in place automatically, and you pull the other leg and it will also lock in place automatically. You can attach a tripod with massive feet on this dolly. I measured the opening can go as big as 55 millimeter. The legs can be extended over 120 millimeter. Now it will give you more stability, but at the chance of you possibly kicking the legs. And that's what happened with me. I prefer to keep the legs as close as possible, but it's not as stable. Each wheel has its own locking mechanism that stops the wheel completely. I tested the dolly at the local skate park and it actually slid down rather than the wheels turning. The wheels are made from a hard plastic, so the dolly works well on a hard, smooth surface. I've used it on concrete floors and that was okay. I've also tried to use it at a church and they have these corporate office carpets and it wasn't great. I still had to stabilize the footage, but it worked. And I also tried it at a hotel with some thicker carpets at an event, and that didn't work so well. You might be able to change the wheels. The wheels are just attached with nuts and bolts, so maybe there's other type of wheels that you can get for the dolly that will allow you more freedom. Here's bonus footage of the guys at the skate park. I took it on my Insta360, and I want to say thanks for subscribing to my channel.
Keep going.